So the AOOCCI R1 dual channel motorcycle dash cam is something which you should really consider for your bike or for your scooter. So this camera I have been testing out from the past few weeks, and it has quite impressed me with its video quality, specifically the front camera's video quality, which gets a Sony Starvis sensor and shoots a Quad HD 1440p resolution, and the rear camera shoots a full HD resolution. Now before I talk about the features of this camera, you should know that this cam comes under the price bracket of 10,000 rupees, which makes it an ideal investment for most motorcycle or a bike users. And on top of it, you can grab some extra 22% discount on using the coupon code Gizmobeep, will make sure that you save yourself some more money. So along with giving you a good quality video footage, you also get a GPS logger, an external one within this dash cam, which means your tracks are recorded, the speed of your bike is recorded, which is going to help you later on if you ever need that kind of an evidence. Additionally, this camera is IP67 waterproof rated, which means rain or water or dust cannot enter it. So you can easily and comfortably use this camera in outdoor exterior environments. Basically, the installation of the camera will be outside the bike, so you need not worry about the camera getting damaged from dust or from water. One more good thing is AOOCCI also does provide you a 64 GB memory card right inside the box, so you don't need to go out purchasing or searching for a new memory card. When you buy the camera, you get this right inside, and that's a cool thing. One more super practical feature is that AOOCCI also provides you a USB-A type cable to power up the dash cam. So most scooters these days, bikes these days, get a USB-C or a USB-A port for charging. So you can easily plug in this dash cam using that port, and you don't need to directly connect the camera to the battery of the vehicle. But just in case your bike doesn't have a USB port, either A or C port, you can connect it to the battery, and they have provided a dedicated cable for that in the box as well. Additionally, AOOCCI does provide all the accessories, including your Allen key, your screwdriver, all the mounts and stickers and wire tags. Everything comes bundled within the box, so you don't have to go out searching for any of it. Simple and easy, straightforward installation. You get multiple mounts, sticker mounts, and even a handlebar mount for the front camera. So no matter which kind of a bike or a scooter you have, the installation part is pretty much covered right inside the box. This camera also gets EIS, that's electronic image stabilization, for smoother video playback, and it also supports dual band Wi-Fi, so both 2.4 and 5.8 GHz are covered within this. Also, this camera gets smart voice notifications to receive voice updates of any important operations while the camera is in use. So why should you get the R1 dual channel dashcam? Well, simply because of one reason. This gives you the confidence and this gives you the safety when you're out on your drive, in your bike or your scooter. You can be assured that the camera is recording evidence from both front and the rear. So in case of any event or in case of any mishap, you can be assured that you have a solid video evidence that might work in your favor. That being said, this was a quick overview of the R1 dual channel dashcam. Now let's jump on and take a look at the unboxing of this camera, along with taking a look at the video quality from both front and the rear cameras, and see how this works out. Let's take a look. So here's the box pack of the AOOCCI R1 bike dash camera. Let's quickly open up the box and show you the contents inside. So straight up, you get a 64 GB AOOCCI memory card. So that's a good thing. So you don't need to go out searching for a memory card once you buy this camera. And here is the R1 dash cam, quite a compact and a very uniquely designed camera. It has got this mount at the bottom, and you get this main camera lens right at front. So this is a Sony Starvis based camera. At the other end, it gets some connections such as the rear camera port, the power port, and even the GPS port. Then you have a USB-A to a 3-pin connector cable. Then you have this external GPS logger with a 7-pin connector. So here's the rear camera, which shoots full HD resolution, and it also gets a marker right at the top. You also get this 4-pin connector, and along with it, the connecting cable for the rear camera. So here is the smart power box, which basically provides power to the dash cam. It's got this 3-pin connector at one end, and at the other end you get this ACC and grounding cable. So you also get the mount and the sticker to attach the rear camera. Lastly, in the box you do get a user guide and all the necessary attachments and the clips that are required for the installation of the cam. So in order to insert the memory card, you have to remove this back panel, and for which AOOCCI also has provided a screwdriver right within the box. Let's go ahead and unscrew this bottom. So you can see that there is a small rubber seal here which you can like easily lift up. So the rubber seal comes off like this, and once you take it out, just insert the memory card into its place. Once you hear the clicking sound, place back the rubber seal and just close it off with the back cover panel. So using the same screws, just tighten the back panel into its place and the camera will be ready to go. Now the R1 dual dash cam is ready to use. So taking a look at the front camera's video quality, quite a decent field of view, and even the brightness and contrast are looking quite natural considering the time of the day this was shot. You can also notice the GPS coordinates being recorded straight up on the video. The clarity of the video is overall pretty good considering this is a 10,000 or should I say less than 10,000 camera. So this should be an ideal contender as your bike dash cam. So I had mounted it slightly tilted and towards the right, hence that particular angle, but of course you can go ahead and mount it in any particular way, in any particular direction which you want, so that you can attain your intended field of view. That being said, the rest of the quality is quite nice and I'm more than happy with the kind of quality the R1 is bringing out, and this can be your good companion, this can be a good safety device for your bike. You should definitely go ahead with this. Taking a look at the rear, so this too provides a slightly warmer footage when you like compare it to the front camera, but the rest of the quality is still looking quite good, much better than what I initially expected. So this shoots a full HD resolution with a variable frame rate of about 25 to 29, has a bitrate and a file size of about 60 MB per minute. So the overall field of view is also quite good enough to cover a large area right behind your two-wheeler, so you can be assured that the camera is capturing pretty much anyone and anything behind your bike and behind your motorcycle. Taking a look at the number plate read from the front during daytime, a very crystal clear read. All letters and number are pretty much visible. So at a close range of less than 5 feet, this camera will be able to capture number plates in a good manner. During nighttime, again at a similar distance, at a very close range, you can be assured that you are capturing enough evidence. You can be assured that you're capturing good number plate reads within that particular close range. So quite a versatile, quite a practical, and one of the most useful safety accessories for your motorbike, for your scooter. This is one camera which you should not miss. So in case if you're interested in grabbing it, the purchase links are given right down below in the description. Both India dedicated website of AOOCCI and the global website links are given right down below. Just make sure to apply the coupon code Gizmobeep to get the biggest possible discount and go ahead and get this for yourself and for your safety. If you do have any doubts or queries regarding this camera, just write that down in the comments. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. And if this video has helped you out in one or the other way, make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, smash that like button, and share this video with all your friends who need a bike dash cam. See you in the next one.